Hi guys, today I've got another recipe for you from Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation, supporting kitchen garden kids at home. It's a delicious one. It's spinach and ricotta fritters. So the first thing we need to do is get chopping. So I've got 6 spring onions here. We're going to quickly chop them up. So we're going to use our claw grip, take the bottom bits off, just thinly slice our spring onions. Slow and steady. I want to slice the white part, the light green parts, all the way up into the dark green part of the spring onion. So put our sliced spring onions into a bowl. So for this you could use lots of different greens. Warrigal greens would work really well. I've got just some spinach here, just cut off where the leaves sort of go from being a nice leaf into the stalk. These bits again go in the compost. We're just going to give this a nice quick rinse into a pot of boiling water. We're just going to quickly blanch the leaves for 1 to 2 minutes just so they soften and cook. So once our spinach is cooked for a couple of minutes, we're just going to take it out of our spider and put it into a colander. And we're going to go back to our sink and just quickly rinse this spinach through some cold water to stop the cooking process. And we now want to get our spinach as dry as possible. So we're just going to squeeze out any extra water in our spinach. There you go. And then we're just going to chop that into a couple of pieces. Roughly break it down for our, and that can go into the bowl with our spring onions. Now into a large mixing bowl, we're going to combine 5 eggs, and we've also got 600 grams of ricotta cheese. So that's going to go in together, and we're just going to mix this together till it just combines. Just going to add the zest of 1 lemon with our microplane, and then into this mixture, we're now going to add our spinach and our spring onions. Then we're going to go in with a pinch of salt and our self-raising flour, and just finish mixing it all together nice and thick. That's perfect. Now we've got our fritter batter here. The best way to get our fritter batter into our pan is with a couple of spoons, hot oil in our pan, and then grab 1 spoon and then really close to the oil, push our batter into our pan. Don't want it too hot, you want it to a nice medium-high heat so it sizzles. We want to make sure we spread them out. Want to cook them for 3.5 minutes each side till they're nice and golden brown on each side and cook through in the middle. Once your fritters are cooked, we're just going to take them out and let them drain on a bit of paper towel. Just a little bit more oil into our pan, and then keep on dolloping fritter batter in with our spoon till we cook them all. So there we have it, beautiful golden brown ricotta and spinach fritters. We take the last couple out of the pan. They're looking really beautiful. There we have it guys, a beautiful plate of fritters. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more awesome recipes from the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation. Happy cooking, and most importantly, happy eating.